So we make another hole today for the birdies, so they can come in this way and go out that way, or either way they chose it, because the other one is for squirrels or for bats. Has some hooks like for bats. It's yeah. There is moose on the window. Mouse. Moose. Here are tomatoes. We plant the seeds and the tomatoes are growing so nice. 3 kinds of tomatoes. Rum tomatoes. I bought some from Costco. And I put the seeds. And this is the machine. We make the hole. So here is still that piece of wood, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Here. And we make the hole right in here above. How nice. And here is birdie's feeder. Here start growing tulips. How nice. Those are daffodils. Already has gonna bloom soon. Beautiful. Here is many crocus flowers. Snowdrops are already. Look at this. Those are so cute. Here are white crocuses.